The recently signed economic trade agreement between Kenya and the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland was met with a lot of uproar from local leaders in Parliament. Today, the Ministry of Trade and Industrialization held a trade forum where both the Cabinet Secretary for Trade and Industrialization, Maina, and the UK High Commissioner, Jane Mariot, exuded confidence about the deal and vowed to ensure a win-win outcome. KTN's Vivian Wandera now reports.
The Ministry of Trade and Industrialization remains assertive that the economic partnership agreement between Kenya and the United Kingdom is a good deal for the country. In what was a trade forum to showcase some of the products Kenya exports to the United Kingdom, UK's High Commissioner Jane Mariot holds that following the ratification by Parliament, the next course of action will now see Trade CS put to action the ratification framework to formalize the trade between the two countries.
The agreement we have secured ensures that companies exporting from Kenya have continued to benefit from duty-free, quota-free access to the UK market since the end of the UK's transition period with the EU on the 1st of January. This is vitally important to many sectors and provides certainty for businesses. As much certainty as one can have in a very uncertain world, this provides certainty for businesses who rely on that duty-free access to compete.
Trade Cabinet Secretary Maina echoed the High Commissioner's stance, indicating the importance of the agreement. The CES added that the partnership offers a great opportunity for local traders and innovators to access different markets in the United Kingdom and Northern Ireland, and it offers them security to trade without any hindrance.
The message that we want to send, starting today and that we've had before, is that really there's a great opportunity for you and your members to innovate and to diversify the range of products that you will sell to that market based on the security that is provided by the agreement. It is easy to trade in many places, but a negotiated trade agreement provides security and predictability to businesses.
In addition, CS Maina dispelled fears of the notion that Kenya was opening herself too much to be a ground for duty-free trade.
This agreement secures one, duty-free and quota-free market for Kenya. In the UK, we exported about 40 billion shillings last year because of that duty-free, quota-free status. So the first instance in which we have secured Kenya's interest is securing that level playing field. Our neighbors in the region, for instance, are considered LDCs, which means they would get duty-free, quota-free access anyway. But if we didn't have this agreement on day one, Kenyan flowers would have attracted 8%. Kenyan vegetables would have attracted the same level of duty, which would make us less competitive and it would erode our market presence. So it was critical that we do this.
And on that note, we end it right here on Business Today. Many thanks for staying with us as we informed you about the latest in the world of business. Business Today continues tomorrow, but before then, my colleague Ali Manzu is coming up next with Swahili News on Mbiu ya KTN. I'm Brian George Otieno. Enjoy the rest.